Hello, we are Group 8. Now I'm going to talk about inactivated vaccines. In the first place, vaccines are drugs that prevent infections by inoculating the body with a portion of pathogen, whose toxicity has been completely eliminated or weakened, so that the immune system is prepared for the next invasion of the pathogen. This immune system preparedness allows the immune system to quickly attack and eliminate pathogens even if they invade after vaccination. Definition: there are two main types of vaccines: live vaccines and inactivated vaccines. Inactivated vaccines use the killed version of pathogen. The pathogen shell and genetic material are broken apart by heat, chemical, and radiation. Therefore, they can no longer multiply and cause disease, but can still activate the immune system to create an immune response.
Okay, how to create inactivated vaccine? Let me explain how inactivated vaccine are produced, taking the influenza vaccine as an example. First, the vaccine strain is inoculated into hatched chicken eggs and cultured in them. After incubation, it is concentrated by filtration or chemical methods and centrifuged to remove impurities. Next, to inactivate it, the virus repeats in the envelopes, which are thought to be the main cause of adverse reactions, removed with ethyl and formalin is added. Finally, the vaccine is made by adding a preservative and stabilizer.
How to kill pathogens? When inactivated vaccines are injected, dendritic cells present antigen to CD4 T cells. After that, the effector T cells, TFH, act on the B cells and differentiate them into memory B or plasma cells. At this time, plasma cells produce IgG to attack the antigen. Memory B cells produce IgG antibodies that specifically react to the same pathogen when it invades the body again. These IgG antibodies bind to pathogens and suppress their activity. Additionally, they enhance the uptake of these pathogens by leukocyte, called opsonization. This is how inactivated vaccines kill pathogens, and this is called humoral immunity.
How is it different from live vaccine? On the other hand, some vaccines are live vaccines. What's the difference? Live vaccines use a weakened form of the pathogen. Since these vaccines are so similar to the natural infection that they create a strong and long-lasting immune response. Just one or two doses of most live vaccines can give you a lifetime of protection against the pathogen and the disease it causes. However, these vaccines are not supposed to be available for the pregnant or those who are severely immunocompromised. On the contrary, inactivated vaccines usually don't provide protection that's as strong as live vaccines, so you may need several doses over time in order to get ongoing immunity against disease. This is called booster shot. Multiple vaccination can make your body have continuous immunity. Okay, next, examples of vaccine use. A typical example of an inactivated vaccine is the influenza vaccine. Influenza vaccines are manufactured each year in anticipation of the year's epidemic. Therefore, you need to inoculate it every year. People 13 years of age and older are usually vaccinated once, but those under 13 years of age are not innately immune, so a second dose is given approximately 4 weeks later. Influenza vaccine is not covered by insurance in Japan. Other example was hepatitis B vaccine and the Japanese encephalitis vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine needs 3 shots. Thank you for watching this video.